a kakistocracy, a government that is led by the most unscrupulous people and people who are not qualified. And the kind of a cadre deployment strategy that they implemented, it idealized mediocrity. So I want to cite examples here. We know of the collapse of state-owned enterprises. They collapsed under mediocrity. Now, you had the SABC, which was handed over to a person with a questionable qualifications. The chairperson of the board, there was a scandal about her. Then there was Hlaudi Motsoeneng, without a matric, running a public broadcaster. That was a disaster. You also had the SAA, as if running an airways, it's flying a kite. You give it in the hands of a mere teacher, a primary school teacher, who have no experience whatsoever in aviation. That was meant to, that state-owned enterprise was not going to be effective at all. Where is SAA today? It has collapsed. It is not flying, it is grounded. Now, you have Denel, which has been struggling to pay their own staff. It is no longer the jewel of South Africa. You look at Transnet, you look at Eskom, all of these institutions, they collapsed under the weight of kakistocracy, under the weight of a cult of mediocrity. So we don't have a challenge of a lack of resources. We've got a challenge of corruption, of maladministration, of a lack of accountability and good governance. And you know, what made this to happen was that Parliament, which is supposed to be giving oversight, demanding accountability on the part of the executive, was there cheering Jacob Zuma as he was plundering the state.